Alright, these will be the north bank of elevators, here inside the Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, Walt Disney World in Bay Lake, Florida. And these are Otis Gen2s with Series 5 lanterns, renovated cabs, and Series 4 buttons. 16's locked, what the 15?
Floor.
Here up on 15, it's right up here.
Down.
Back down to 1. Like I said, these cabs have been recently renovated. They look really nice. I do like these cabs better than the original ones. These are your late Series 4 buttons, I believe. Phone there. Certificate to capacity is 3,100. This is car 2. That's what's inside the box. Floor indicator. Got 2 panels. This side has the Magic Band access or access device. Go back at 1. Back at the 15, we'll get a view. Unfortunately, you're gonna have a Magic Band to go up to the 16th floor.
Floor.
And here we're back at 15.
Going down.
There goes the elevator. If you notice, there's a hidden Mickey on each of these doors, right there. And now let's enjoy the view from the 15th floor. You got a very nice view towards Magic Kingdom Park. That there's Space Mountain, Tron Light Cycle Run. And over there you can see Cinderella Castle. Down there's the parking lot. That's the monorail track. And you got a very nice view of Bay Lake. Over there, that's the new hotel that's being under construction for DVC members as part of the Wilderness Lodge. Down there is the pool. There's the south end of the tower. And off in the distance, you can see some of the Orlando metro area. Some of the other high-rise buildings in the Orlando area. Mainly in the tourist areas. And behind this door is the service elevators for the service elevator for the north end. So here it is here. Unfortunately, I cannot ride it because you're gonna need a badge to access it. We'll go down the end of the hallway and get a view from the other side. I believe this hotel or tower is mainly reserved for the DVC members, Disney Vacation Club members. And here's your view from this corner of the tower on the north side. You got a very nice view towards Epcot out in the distance, along with the Swan and Dolphin Resort. And right through this door, next to your fire alarm pull station, is your manpower elevator, one of your manpower elevators. I want to see something here. I can get back in for the 15th floor. Let's see, I can walk up to 16. Mostly this staircase serves the roof. Look at that, you can go to the 16th floor. So here's your view from the 16th floor of this side of the tower. Once again, there's Epcot out in the distance, along with the Swan and Dolphin Resort. Actually, we'll go around. Okay, right here is the North Service elevator. Like I said, I cannot ride it without a badge, as it's strictly for cast members only. And here's your view towards Bay Lake once again from the 16th floor. Out of this, you can see some of the Orlando metro area. That building there is the new Wilderness building for DVC members. And down there's the pool that is shaped like a heart. That goes outside to an outdoor lounge. And here we are at the main bank of elevators. While we wait for one, let's get one more view towards Magic Kingdom. So right there's Space Mountain, Tron Light Cycle Run, and Cinderella Castle in our elevators here. And we got elevator 1 to go down in. Let's go to 1.
First floor.
Here we're back at 1.
Going up.
Let's go back up to 15. I just closed the door on somebody. Here we're back at 15. We'll switch from up here. We'll try to get the third car down there. There goes that elevator. Let's see if we can get the right car. Again, interesting how these have Series 5 lanterns and Series 4 buttons. I assume these are very late Series 4 installs before the Series 5 era. We got this car. We're going to send this elevator down.
Going down.
And here we have the third car.
Going down.
Down to 1. Door close does not work on any of these elevators.
First floor.
Here at 1.
Going up.
Back to 15. We'll carry a cab view of this elevator just for the heck of it while we're going up. Like I said, these cars have been renovated very recently. They did a really good job renovating these elevators. These are your late Series 4 buttons, magic band reader, floor indicator. Got 2 panels. Capacity is 30-100. This is elevator number 3, along with your certificates.
15th floor.
And here we're back at 15.
Going down.
And now we'll end at 1.
First floor.
And here we're back at 1.
Going up.
And there goes the elevator. And before I end, let's take one last look at the service elevator from this floor. Yeah, like I said, you're gonna need a badge to access the service elevator. You can't call it without a cast member badge. Anyways, those were the North Bank of elevators, and that's it. And of course, this has to happen after I film these elevators.
Going up.
Look at that. 16 is open. So here's a bonus ride up to the 16th floor.
Sixteenth floor. Going down.
And now, I will officially end up here on the 16th floor. So I hope you all enjoyed this bonus ride up to the 16th floor.